Hello guys, welcome to amazing world of manufacturing. Today we will see how farmer produce hundred of tons onions of per crop. The machine you are seeing on the screen is an onion transplanter. This machine helps farmer plants thousands of seeding every hours. The time from planting onions to harvesting them lasts about 3 months. When most of the onions stock are old, it will be the best time to harvest. To harvest onions, the farmer first needs to use this machine to easily pull the onions out of the ground. Next, this machine will be used to pick up the onions lying on the ground and transfer them into the truck. The presence of these modern agriculture machines makes harvesting agriculture products very quick and easy. If you were to own modern farming machines like this, would be willing to give up your current job to become a farmer? After the onions is harvested, it will be transferred to the factory for processing. At the factory, onions are partially peeled before they are placed in the large bags. This onions processing factory only has a few workers because most of the stages are done by modern machines. So guys, how do you feel about this farmers onion growing and harvesting process? Let us know what you think in the comment section of this video. Goodbye and take care.